Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's continue alphabets S to Z. In previous video we have learned A to R. Now let's continue the alphabets with coloring and sketching. S for swan. This is S, sky blue color. T for tiger, red color T for tiger. U for umbrella, violet color. U for umbrella. V for van, orange color. V for van. W light green color. W for watermelon, light green color. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree, brown color. X for Xmas tree. Next alphabet is Y. Y for yacht, yellow color. Y for yacht. Z, blue color. Z for zebra. Let's S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye kids.